When you're just starting out in cosmetology, your tools matter more than they're given credit for. You've got to build muscle memory, develop your eye, and train your hand. The tools you practice with shape the habits you'll carry for your entire career. And that's exactly why we at GL put together the Kage Shadow Shear and Styling Razor Set. Right out of the sleek carrying case, the first thing you're going to notice is the presentation. Everything has its place. So there's no rattling around in a fabric pouch, no digging through your bag. It's organized and clean, very professional. First, let's start with the cutting shears. These are 5 3/4 inches, a great all-around length for student work, and they're forged from 9CR stainless steel. That's a high carbon steel grade you're going to typically find in professional grade shears. It holds an edge well and is resistant to corrosion. Now look at this blade edge. Run your eye along that ridge line. It's totally straight. It's not wavy or inconsistent. It's straight from heel to tip. That kind of consistency doesn't happen by accident. That always means cleaner cuts and smoother glides through the hair, and ultimately less fatigue in your hand over a long practice session. Another thing worth calling out, this kit includes a tension adjustment key. The screw on your shears is really low profile, and the key has 2 holes so you can get a solid grip no matter the angle. Having the right tension directly affects how your shears perform and how long that blade edge lasts, so you can keep your shears performing well throughout your entire training program. Next up, we have the 28-tooth Thinning Shears. 28 teeth is a nice sweet spot for students. It's enough to remove weight and blend seamlessly without taking off too much at once. It's forgiving to work with while you're still dialing in your technique. And here is something you don't see in every student kit. We have dedicated Mannequin shears included. The idea is simple. Keep your good cutting shears for actual clients, and then you can use these for practice sessions. And then the styling razor here opens up a whole other dimension of technique. Got lived-in texture, PC layers, soft face framing, and it comes with 10 replacement blades, so you're set for a really long time before you ever need to restock. We also included a shear oil. It's a small detail, but it does make a difference. Keeping your shears lubricated is just basic maintenance that a lot of students skip until something goes wrong. So having it right in the kit means no excuse and encourages proper care of your investment. The Kage Shadow Set gives you everything you need to show up to every class ready to work. You've got quality shears, a styling razor, practice tools, maintenance supplies, all in one easy case, and at a price point that makes sense for a student. We also have a left-handed version as well. So if you want to check these out, I have a link down in the description below, or you can also find it just by going straight to gl.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those down in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help you. Be sure to subscribe for more educational cosmetology content, and we will see you next time.